need to help Mom find Natalie because she disappeared on me. So
Natalie, where are you?
she's not in the closet. I don't know, I already checked there.
Well, I just heard something. Where is she?
She's not in
Natalie, come out from underneath the bed.
Last time I know she hid under the bed with the nurse.
Underneath the bed? Hmm? I don't see her in the bathroom. Natalie!
What?
Is that where you've been hiding?
Mom!
What are you?
You know where I was!
I didn't tell him.
Natalie, that was funny.
I didn't
He
tell
already knew! He's got a will.
Your siren went off.
It was beeping.
Oh, that was funny. Natalie, you are going to be the funniest kid. I'm actually quite impressed. I'm just really excited to see your personality come out. Alright, come on out here. Do you want to stay here for a minute? Okay, I'll let you.
Should we call for the nurse and tell her you're beeping? See if she can find where the beeping is? Okay.
No. Okay. Natalie, you're funny. That gave it away, didn't it?